Good evening, guys. Here's Don Felipe from Shark POV Reviews, and this is the surprise for today is the Ferrari 488 GTB. Very beautiful car, made by Ferrari, Scuderia Ferrari, of course, in beautiful red with black wheels. This is how it looks like. But first, I want to thanks a lot to Classic Car Rent in Oftringen for delivering us this car for 6 hours. We are very, very grateful for that. And well, here you see from the back, very, very beautiful, typical Ferrari. It looks almost like the 458. Very nice. You got two big exhaust pipes, and well, later you will see how loud it is. Yeah, also the roof is black. Here you see the engine. It's the typical 3.9 liter flat plane V8 from Ferrari. Of course, turbo loaded. It produces 670 horsepower and drives just the rear wheels only. And well, you feel it, that is just the rear wheel drive, but it pulls very, very strong. And of course, show you the interior. It's all in black with carbon fiber on the steering wheel. You have big shifting pedals for the 7-speed dual clutch gearbox. Here you can open the doors. It's all leather stitched. Well, it has to be. Also, we got sport seats in black leather. And the best part is I have to sit in. The best part is you got a speedometer in analog, so the big round dial in yellow, typical Ferrari. You have two digital displays. Here's a climate control, and here you can control the automatic transmission, launch control. Here you can go in backwards. Here's the Manettino, the typical one: wet, sport, race, CT off, and ESC off. So all you can have. Here you give the blinkers. Here's the horn. You got shifting lights here. And here you can start the engine. We'll do it right now in a moment. And there's not much to say about. You got glove space here. It's not that much, but it's decent. But cargo space isn't that much. You got a little bit in the front, but here at the back, maybe for a little bag or something, but that would be it, honestly. And yeah, but let's start the car. This is what it's all about. Very beautiful Ferrari sound, but let's give some revs. Very nice. And yeah, pretty good. And yeah, let's go for a drive. guys, finally we're driving the Ferrari. We'll show you in a moment on the Autobahn, but we'll be careful because this is in Germany, so we will be in tempo limit, but we will show you how fast the Ferrari is and of course how it sounds like, because, well, you can already hear it. That is very, very fast and very loud. Right guys, now is the moment, because it's a tunnel here, so you know what it means. I'm gonna rev the car a little bit up in neutral and let's see how it sounds like. Yeah guys, just like everyone says, you always find new friends on the Autobahn.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is